Top 10 Ways to Make Money Online Without Investment. It is a smart strategy to earn some money from various sources across the internet. There may be many of reasons behind it, like perhaps you don't have a job and want to convert your idle time into productive time. Whatever your reason is, if you're stuck at home most of the day, you've probably thought about the income you could be making by taking a work-from-home job. Make money without investment. Before I will show you the real and genuine online jobs opportunities where you can work and earn money, subscribe our channel. I want to give you a warning about the various online job scams you will come across on internet. I can guarantee you that 99.9% of people who will ask money to give you online jobs and work-from-home opportunity are fake. So it's always better to give those websites a try which don't ask for investment. Here are some popular and trending ways to make money online. 1. Online survey sites. This is the easiest and increasingly popular way to make money online. Surveys are an important part of any business to check what people like and how they can improve their product. They take your opinion by number of means and pay you for the time you spend on completing the surveys. Here you can sign up with different companies who provide online surveys. Once you join with online survey companies, they will send you the survey invitations in your email. You can complete them and get paid through various means such as e-vouchers, checks or hard cash through PayPal, etc. Two. Get paid to sell your photos online. If you have a little creativity and some real good shots, upload your photos to stock photography websites. Stock photography websites are a great place to reward you for your photography skills and passion. All you have to do is to get some good shots, edit if required, and upload them to these websites for a review. If they approve your photos, you can work with them further. If not, you will at least know why were your photos rejected and what should you upload, as they put some lines with each photo to describe the problems with that. 3. Make money with smartphone apps. The smartphone you have can get some money for you. The smartphone industry is growing at very fast pace. Every e-commerce website wants their app in your phone, and for getting this done, they can even pay you. Although they don't do this directly, they do this via several third-party apps. Here I am listing out some genuine apps where you will get paid for doing simple tasks like downloading apps, completing survey and watching videos, etc. 4. Micro jobs. Paper task jobs. As the name itself suggests, it's a way of earning money by doing small jobs. There are dozens of big sites where you can join as a micro worker and then start completing small tasks. You can earn hours. $10 for small tasks that takes 1 to 3 minutes to complete, and hours. $50 for tasks that takes 5 to 10 minutes to complete. You should find interesting tasks that you are most comfortable with, complete them and get paid. Some common tasks you will find there will be like liking a photo on Facebook, watching or posting a comment on YouTube video, answering Yahoo questions, and downloading Android app, etc. Five. Get paid to write, sell your words. Internet has changed everything. Today, you can decide to become a freelance writer. Obviously, the better your skills and training are, the better your projects and freelance writing rates will be. There are many markets looking for people with good writing skills. You can write for magazines, either online or in print. You can blog by setting up your own site, or by writing for someone else's. The market for new articles on the internet is vast, and there's a lot of work to go around. Check out next video for other 5 methods